The Zumba workout for beginners for weight loss. I just finished this amazing Zumba workout which I have been working on and I've brought it for all of you. I want all of you to enjoy the same energy, the same zeal, the same zest and finally lose your full body fat, especially targeting your lower body, your belly fat and your arm fat. Let's do this together. And if anywhere in between while doing the Zumba you feel out of breath, you're not able to catch up with my steps, all you have to do is this. That's it. All you have to do is this. Keep moving. That's the rule. Just for a couple of minutes a day. If you do this very workout with me every single day, you're sure to see results and a slim waist. Let's do it. Let's do it together.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Until something better came along. and so it's me and you. We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love. But we were just here to stay until something better came along.